atmosphere in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta. As a human, we need a healthy environment to live in. If the atmosphere is get polluted, Earth will be to increase the risk of respiratory infection, heart disease, and lung cancer. Like in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta, the atmosphere is polluted. Clean air and livable climate are inalienably a human right. And solving this crisis is not a question of politics. It is our moral obligation if admittedly a daunting one. Good morning, Miss and friend. My name is Timothy Brandon Suwarno. As we see now in videos or so many news, the city of Jakarta is covered by something white, which means the city of Jakarta seems darker than on normal days. And this can also cause so many diseases. The atmosphere is a layer of gas that covers the planet just like Earth. Usually, the thickness of the atmosphere is approximately 1,000 kilometers, while the atmosphere on Earth has height around 560 kilometers above the sea level. Air pollution takes place in two different layers of the Earth's atmosphere. The first one is troposphere and stratosphere. The atmosphere gets dirty because there are 6 pollutants. The first one is carbon monoxide, the second one is lead, the third one is nitrogen oxide, the fourth one is ground level ozone, the fifth one is particle pollution, and the last one is sulfur oxide. There are so many ways that the pollution came from, just like cars, factory, burning of trash, and so many more. And just like in Jakarta, which had 10 million people, and almost everybody had a car or a motorcycle, the amount of usage of private vehicle from that 10 million people, not only from vehicle, there is so many factory and trash that also affect the pollution. The spike of pollution is in June, July to August. Is also the dry season, which appears in accordance with the rotation of the season of that year. Therefore, the increase in respiratory disease caused by air pollution in Jakarta. There is a need for movement from the community to reduce the pollution in Jakarta. The increase of respiratory disease caused by air pollution in Jakarta. There is a need of movement from the community to reduce the pollution in Jakarta. There are so many ways to reduce pollution into move away from usage of fossil fuel and replacing them with alternative energy like solar, wind, and geothermal. As a society, we can reduce the use of private vehicles and start using public transportation, which can reduce the carbon dioxide and reduce emission from exhaust smoke. So, the Earth's atmosphere is a vital layer of gas, but human activity contribute to its pollution. In places like Jakarta, with high population density and the extensive use of vehicles and factories, the identified pollution, such as carbon monoxide and particulate matter, impact air quality and leading to health issues. To make things better in transitioning to alternative energy and promoting public transportation, also fostering community initiative and crucial step in mitigating pollution and improving the overall air quality in area just like Jakarta. That's all me. Thank you.